Hello guys, what is up? It's Coolface Case, and today I'm going to be playing a new game. This game's called Shell Shockers, and it's not a battle royale, it's just a shooting game, where you just try to eliminate the other team basically. There are two modes, teams and free-for-all. I'm going to be going into some teams, just for now, and yeah, let's just hop into it. Straight match. Is this true? There are only... What? I've never seen this. There are 4 people in my match. Have I hacked the game? What the hell? I'm not joking. This is the first time. Something about the server just... Let's get this kill. I hate teams! Oh my days! I could have easily snipped him up. Oh, what a snipe. What a snipe. I think I hit him. How we not him? Oh, baby! Those kills are unreal! Why am I in a lobby with such few people? It's a 2-on-2. Oh, he's not my team! Easy. Easy! Okay then, nobody clip it, please, nobody clip it. Oh, what a snipe! We're just banging out these quick scopes. Here, let's go, 2 kills, what are you saying? Oh, I've killed the whole of their team, where's Sherlock? Sherlock! Hold tight, Sherlock. There's a guy next to me, please, oh wow, what is he trying? 3, oh. Wait, I hit him. I think I hit him. Ooh, baby, that scared me. Okay, we just got another kill. And we're gonna get another kill. Wow, that gave me a heart attack. See, the thing is, this game doesn't tell you where the footsteps are, so the footsteps basically don't make a sound, so yeah, it just screws you. I hit him. Please, GML, screw you. Oh my days, I hate being shot in the back. Me and GML could easily finish these guys. Oh, be careful. You gotta be real careful. You're not gonna peek again, boy. Peek again. I dare you. Okay. Quick scope failed. Nobody clip it. Nobody clip it. What do you mean? There's a guy behind me and the guy there. What do you mean? I'm just gonna finish this guy first. Hi, dude. How's the... Yep, that's a pretty nice clip. I got this. I'm a wizard. Oh, what a snipe. Okay. Me and GML are just rocking it out here. I got you. Okay. I'm not gonna go close range because that's gonna kill me. Oh, we hit him. Hot scope. I hate this jumping. Nobody clip it, please. Okay, then let's do this. Okay, we've got a 360 view. We're gonna get the high ground. We're gonna snipe everyone out the air. That's the plan. Let's see if we can put it in action. Nade. My sniping is sick today. Okay, nobody. Wow. That snipe was alright, I guess. But then Jeff, the shotgunner, just comes out and absolutely mows me over. I hate this game! I'm being gunned up by 3 people at once! I can only fight 1 guy. What do you mean? This game doo-doo! I hit him. What's GML doing? I'm sorry, but this guy's just an utter spaz. Where are you? You're meant to be... There's no way. What a snipe? Who can't snipe? Somebody tell me? Who can't snipe? Who can't snipe? Anyone? What? My health? Oh wow, that guy just naded me. Who can't snipe? Okay, we're just gonna I'll be back off, and we're back. I died to that guy, and yeah, I just skipped the ad basically. What a snipe. Oh, baby! Those snipes are beautiful! Who makes them beautiful? Rishi makes them. Nope. Who's Rishi? Who's Rishi? Cakes makes them beautiful. Yeah, Cakes all the way. This is not a good time to reload. Oh my days, I hate shotguns! Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, there are 3 classes. There's Free Ranger, which is Sniper. Soldier, which is AK-47, which is the worst. And then there's a Shotgun. Shotgun is alright, but I like Sniper. These are your secondary weapons, which is a Glock. This is your primary weapon, and yeah, I haven't shown you guys, but if you press F, you can just switch guns, and yeah, that's basically it. The Glock does no damage. Oh, baby! Oh, baby, I hate the fire rate! Okay, we're gonna leave when, after, I don't know. See how it, okay? Jeff the Killer's coming on us. Oh, what a kill! Who can't get kills? I see you, Sherlock. I see you. I dare you. Peek me, boy. Peek me. I just hate you. That's right. Go back into your cover. Go back into your cover, you little spaz. I'm gonna finesse you. Jeff the Killer! Oh my days, I am a legend. Okay, I hate this game. Unscoring. Wait, I think there's a guy down here. I'm gonna shoot him down. What do you mean? Am I being shot at? What? What do you mean? There was a guy right behind me. I hate this game. Sherlock, you're dead. That's right, Sherlock. I see you, Jeff the Killer. I'm gonna screw you. I'm gonna show you what it feels like to watch an ad when you get killed. Oh, hit him. I'm gonna nade him. Oh, baby, that gave me a heart attack. Please kill him. Okay, we're gonna go shotguns. I'm not great with shotguns. Be careful. You gotta be real careful, boy. What do you mean? How am I gonna hit him? Do I do any damage? What do you mean? There's no way. You're sniping. Who can't snipe? I need to get up close. What? Sherlock? What? I hate this game? Honestly? What do you mean? What do you mean this game too? What are you talking about, boy? This game doo-doo! Jump over the gap. Send an aid in. Show what we mean business. Okay. That one's going to be sent a mile. Okay. I hate this game. Oh, baby, that kill is beautiful. Who can't use the dozen gold? You can't use it. That's right. Sit your ass down, boy. Sit down. Yo, my finger's looking lit at the moment. Let's see if... No way. How far can you toss nades? Okay, that's not good. Let's see how... Oh, we... Be careful! Yes, look at that distraction. Knew my teammate was gonna flank him. And snip his head. Okay, it's just us in the lobby. We in the lobby. Yeah, Salman, mind. Should I switch teams? I might switch teams. Okay, let's see. Next game, we're gonna be using the AK-47, which is the worst gun in the game. Okay, let's switch teams. Let's make it fair. make it fair, boys. Let's make it fair. Salma, join me, Salma. Not like this. Make it a 2v2. Guys, not 1v3. Guys, not like this, please. Guys. That's all I can do. That is literally all I can do. AK-47 for the win? Who said AK-47 was bad? Okay, who's reloading? Peek around that corner, baby. Okay, I hate AK-47. Never using it again. We're just gonna stick with the sniper. 1v3 sniper battles. 1v1 me. What you saying? Angel, my G. My guy, Angel. We've got him. What a kill. Salma, that's what you get for ditching me? Sit on the ground? What's that ad? Die, please? Anyone? Anyone else want to fight? Anyone? Ooh, you want to fight, baby. You want a sniper? We sniper, boy. I think of him. Okay, Salma wants to fight. Salma, screw you. And flank, no flank. Anyone? Salma, I hate you. We're gonna push up here. We're gonna chuck a nade down. Oh. What? I tried to move to the left. Oh wow, the boundaries kicked in. I hate this game. I'm still deleting my profile. Hi, dude. Hey, Salma. How are you? I hate you stealing my kill. I don't care. Screw Alfeda. Oh, it was double kill. Sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, that fight was disgusting. Okay. What are you talking about? F8 is one of the best. Okay, we're gonna be right back up to and we're back with some more gameplay. Yep, basically I just let the ad and do its stuff. We're gonna just go and push on F8. Who can snipe? Okay, Tandon can't snipe. Somebody kill Tandon. Tandon. Knock is terrible, mate. Learn that and then you'll become a good player. I want to die. Oh, baby. We hit it with a quick scope. Okay, airplane. Forgive my teammate. I'm gonna do a snipe. What just happened to my ping? Somebody killed me. Oh, all I see is a guy hard scoping me. You're dead. What do you mean? He's moving. Oh, nope, not like this. Cakes, fried cakes. That's a kill, right? Easy kills. I actually need to see that. If me killing myself counts as a kill. He's gonna shoot me? Nope, he's not gonna shoot me. He will never ever just... Airfina, be careful. You gotta be real careful out here. Airfina, you gotta be real careful. Salma, you gotta be careful as well. Oh, Airfina! Okay then. I'll probably just play one more game and then cakes out. Yeah, basically. Who can snipe? Say I won't. Final game. Let's end off with a snipe. Okay. And that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. Thanks all for watching. Remember to check out Shellshock.io, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. By the way, comment whatever you want me to play in the description, and yeah, cakes out.